Okay, today we're going to learn how to use the Cfactor, or just the factor function on the calculator. This is used to factor polynomial equations. I will zoom the camera out to show you the buttons that I will hit, and then I will zoom it back in to show you the actual screen itself. Okay, first of all, we want to hit the on button. So come over here, click the on button. That'll boot it up right there. It'll most likely be at the home pad like this. What you're going to do is you're going to navigate to scratch pad over here. You're going to go to calculate and press enter. And now there's two ways we can go about this. We can either press the menu button right here, click that, and then we can scroll and find factor, or we can just go and type it in. Usually going to the menu is much easier because it already opens the parentheses for you. Second, we're going to go down here to the bottom of the calculator, and we're going to type in an arbitrary polynomial function, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. You do not have to set this equal to 0, but it will work either way. Next, you just press enter, and as you can see, it factored the polynomial on the right into x plus 2 and x plus 3. If it cannot factor, it will just leave the polynomial that you typed in.